Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration and it's blue and white are the colors. It's Chinoiserie collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, and I'm not sure of the other hostess or co-hostess, so but they will be down in my description once I find out who they are, and I apologize for not knowing. But the colors are blue and white, and it is a collaboration, and I'm so excited about it because I have purchased a few little new items that I want to show you, and because they're so pretty, I plan to use them around maybe Thanksgiving or some other time because I'm just excited about the color. So I want you to be with me as I show you my Tablescape collaboration. And when you finish with watching mine, please go over to the other ladies' channels and observe their beautiful tables as well. Okay guys, my centerpiece is a blue and white vase that I purchased at Home Goods store. And I also purchased some of the flowers and made that arrangement, and that was also purchased at Home Goods store. And here you'll see two different napkins put together as a arrangement. One, the blue, the darker one, was purchased by Amazon online, and I decided to make a different type of napkin arrangement, so I put two together. And the other one was purchased at Ross's. And I did get those napkins from Ross, but the darker blue one came from the Amazon. And I did everything off camera this time, but if you have any questions or would like to see how I made this arrangement in the napkins, just give me a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer you and also to show you how I came up with this kind of butterfly looking napkin with a little bit more decorative inside, which is the blue, dark blue napkin, and then the shiny crystal napkin holders. Now here, guys, I chose two different colors and two different style of glasses for the table. The first one is a flute, and the flute is for like champagne. It's blue, and the other one is white, and it's a wine glass, and it's really the style for red wine. So those are the two glasses I put on the table. And if you were having company, you could either choose one or two, or you could use both. It depends on what your guest is drinking. If they're drinking champagne, it's fine. If they're drinking wine, then you have a wine glass. But here, guys, is my favorite part. These are my dishes, my plates that I purchased at Home Goods for this collaboration, and I think they're just absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use them when I have company come over. But right now, just for you to see it, I want you to see how I combine the blue one, and then I have the white one with the silver trimming. And my background is blue and white and silver. So those are the colors that I use for this tablescape. Okay guys, this is my Tablescape Tuesday in blue and white, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. And if you did, let me hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and give me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to go over to the other lady's channel to watch. And may God bless you and may God keep you. Bye-bye.